First oil change 2026 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. Sit. There's no way. I guess I'll pull the other drain bolt over there, work on getting the oil filter out, and go from there. First hour ride. Some shavings in there. Nothing crazy, but definitely some shavings. There's a drain plug down there. That doesn't really do much. This one's at the bottom of the case and it does all the draining. It's okay, pick it up. Look. It's probably loose enough you could just do it with your finger. Look, just do it with your finger. Look, just do the bolt with your finger. Look, like this, look. Try that.
This?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah.
The heart?
No, just the hair, look, like that. Oh. Do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, turn it that way, yeah. There we go. Okay, pull it out. Pull it out. Keep turning. Keep turning. Turn. No, stop pulling. Turn. Keep turning it. Look. A couple more turns. Cha-bang. You want to do the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, do the other one. Do that one. Turn it. A bunch of times. Look. Like this.
I can't turn it on.
You want me to do it?
Yeah. Turn it.
See the RTV? All this is from factory. This is the first oil change ever done on this bike. It's got 1 hour on it. 1 hour. Drain bolt, oil filter. Only comes with that one though. Doesn't come with this one. It's kind of odd. So all total we got 1, 2, 3 drain bolts plus the oil filter. There's a little metal filter in there. Hello. And then the oil kit comes with the 1.2s. We just dump all that in there and we are done.